Timor-Leste's Ministry of Petroleum and Mineral Resources and Timor Gap EP have signed an agreement with Swiss company Streamtech Solutions AG to design a domestic natural gas pipeline and establish a joint venture, Streamtech Timor-Leste Pipeline Company. Timor Gap will hold 70% of the new company, which will oversee the development and operation of a pipeline connecting Bayu Undan and nearby fields to Natarbora.
So when seeing the sort of reports come through from OS that had this scope of LNG, including pipeline, and we see the name of Streamtech comes in. And honestly, if I have to now confess with you guys, prior to that report, okay, all we know is JP Kenny, which is now been absorbed by Wood in the Wood Group. What else? Intexi, yeah, Intexi, which was bought by Worley Parson. Not many actors really in the design space in the pipeline. So we thought, okay, these are the guys. But here we go. You have this Steamtech that did a very, I have to say, very, very satisfactory. Actually, much more than what was actually requested. Then the study was meant to be a fifth class sort of engineering definitions, but you guys actually came out a little bit much more detailed than that. So we thought, okay, this is the right guys that we need to approach. And when we met for the final presentations in Madrid, I spoke to Dr. George, and this whole idea of setting up our own pipeline company comes into sort of initiations.
With cooperations with Streamtech, that shows to the world that we would break a world record in terms of pipeline installations and operations. So this is a great opportunity for learning as well as for us to cooperate with international partners.
So we have quite some experience on offshore. Offshore is a small world. We know all the players on the market, all the construction companies, all the engineering companies, surveying companies, and we hope that we bring in this expertise into this new project. I wish all the best, all the success to this new project that we can now start. We are keen to start and to bring it to success.
The project aims to strengthen national energy infrastructure and support South Coast development, especially as Bayu Undan production declines and export routes are reconsidered. The pipeline design phase is expected to take 1 to 2 years with emphasis on local participation and skills training.